G'day guys, Ryan here from Bodies by Ryan, and we're down here with Soph from Taste Buds, and now we're going to run you through a chicken tandoori. Soph, do you want to run us through what we're going to be doing here with the chicken today?
Sure. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is show you a little rice. So I bought a brown basmati rice, so it's got this really lovely kind of long grain. So that's just simply boiled, and you can buy the short rice, but I find it doesn't hold flavour very much or stuff.
Yep.
So I've got some raw cashew nuts here. I'm just going to chop them up a little bit smaller. And look, literally with this one, just put whatever you like in. We're going to use a mixture of nuts and seeds, but it's pretty much whatever you've got in your cupboard.
Yep.
So they go in there. Fresh herbs. Got parsley, coriander, basil, mint, just because that's what I've got here.
Yeah, smells good.
And you just bunch them up nice and tight, and then shred them up.
You've done that once or twice before, Soph?
And just a little bit smaller. That goes in there. And then you can give them a little bit of a stir if you like.
Get me hands dirty.
Sprinkle of pepper. A little bit of salt.
Little bit of salt, just to taste.
And I've already toasted these seeds, so this is pumpkin and sunflower seeds.
Yep.
And see, they've got a little bit of colour to them. I just toast a load and put them to the side, like in a tub.
Yep.
And then you can put them in all sorts of stuff. And it might look like we've got jelly beans.
They're not jelly beans.
They're not. They're sultanas. So a couple of sultanas. And just going to dribble a little bit of this, a little bit of tamari in, and then if you can pass that sesame oil as well. So a little bit of liquid, and just sesame oil is really, really strong. So you just want a tiny, tiny bit, maybe 3 drops. There we go. All right, and then once you've given that a good mix, we're just going to set it to the side. I'm going to show you how to make a really quick paste to put on the chicken.
Awesome.
That's great. Well done.
There we go.
Okay, so can you grab a spoon here? So the normal recipe is using yogurt, but you talk about yogurt.
Yeah, so we just wanted to add in a Koyo today, so just trying to limit our calories, and I found this one to be a really good one, and I ate this myself. So yeah, perfect to add in to these recipes. We're trying to put a healthy spin on what would usually be a really high calorie, can be high fat, high carb sort of meal. Just bring the calories down and just trying to make them as clean as we can.
Perfect, and I love this stuff. I have it for breakfast with fresh mango, fresh fruits, and I've also started using the plain one as an alternative to yogurt when there's people that are dairy free. It really is.
It's good stuff.
My new favourite thing, so I'm using it in all sorts of stuff. So we've got a little bit of cayenne or chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, and coriander.
Yep.
Just going to mix a bit of a paste.
And these are just all herbs and spices you get from your supermarket or your local grocer, or
absolutely.
Yeah, and essentials to have in the cupboard when you're trying to make those boring meals taste good.
Yeah, for sure. And once that's in a nice paste, I'm not going to go too crazy on the chili. I mean, I personally love a bit of chili.
Yep.
But what I would do is cover it in the marinade, leave it for a couple of hours in the fridge, and then just chuck it in the oven. So we'll pretend that it's been marinating for a long time, and put it in the oven, and then when it comes out, I'll show you how to tell whether your chicken's cooked or not.
Perfect. Okay, so if we've just got the chicken out of the oven, do you want to run us through how we're going to plate this one up?
It's pretty simple. You've got the rice, and look, I know you're not the biggest fan of olive oil, but I would put just a little bit in there just to bring it together.
Yep.
And then the chicken, so it looks as though you've got yogurt on there. It's pretty, it holds together pretty well, the koyo.
Yeah, it smells really good.
And just going to carve a few pieces. It's lovely and tender. And I don't know, would you eat a whole chicken breast or would you share it with someone?
I probably wouldn't share it with anyone, no. not if it tastes like that.
It's pretty like that, so I'm going to leave it like that.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, so just want to run us through like the process again, just cap it all off, start to finish.
Yeah, so we boiled the rice, which was a brown basmati, and then mixed through toasted seeds, sultanas, cashews. You can use any type of nut, a little bit of sesame and a little bit of tamari, and fresh herbs. And then in the tandoori paste was some chili, some garam masala, some coriander, and some turmeric. And we used koyo instead of yogurt.
Perfect. And you know, another simple dish that's going to taste unreal. Like the smells and the flavors, I can already smell it. As soon as it comes out of the oven, it's spot on,
good, isn't it?
Yeah.